your local Kimco, CF Moto, and KO dealer. I've been doing this for about 17 years. We're going on our 18th year. We've won Best of Bay 4 years in a row, and we're here to serve you. So we have a variety of all your apparel needs with gloves, vests, jackets, sweaters, casual wear, boots, anything you can think of that you need on your motorcycle or your off-road equipment, we carry it. We have it from the extravagant helmets to the simple, just black, modular style. As you can see, we're a CF Moto dealer, and this is one of our units that we sell, that we carry, and the price is impeccable. This is a 950 Z-Force, 4-wheel drive with locking differential. It comes with the winch and also the roof. Those are not additional accessories that we charge for. That comes with the unit. On all your other providers, usually they charge you an extra fee for those. Come visit us today for all your power sports needs. Come see us at 1901 West 15th Street, Panama City, Florida, 32401. Or give us a call today at 850-874-2185. Like and subscribe.